this is the beginning. And this is pretty much the end, because as you can see, it's very simple to make very nice product photography images, especially if it's a very small thing like jewelry. You can just do it in your neighborhood. Eventually walk around, find a spot, test a couple of shots, and let's see what we got.
Photo Photos. Affinity Photo po polsku.
So this is me cruising around our neighborhood and looking for a spot for the bracelets. The bracelets are from copper and some leather things. The main idea was to find something with a lot of texture, wood, probably maybe some concrete, stones, and just simply put them there. Find a nice proper background that, given the low depth of field, will be blurred anyway, and just take a couple of shots. Like as you can see, I did find a spot, and let's see what can we do about that. Just place your camera, zoom in a little bit, and for example you can try with something like this. Take a couple of test shots, even if you don't think they will be great, just do it so this will make your creative juice flowing all around. And as you can see, it's very simple. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be at the beginning. And this is exactly how I did it. Just play around, make a couple of shots, test a couple of ideas. It doesn't have to be perfect right off the bat. Additionally, you will always make some post-processing for that, so it's really not that hard and not that much time consuming. And of course, color grading is everything, depends on what it is and how would you like those images to look. You can do pretty much anything. This I went for something that is very natural, as copper is being mined. I wanted some concrete or a lot of more stones, but I decided this is okay. Like here, as you can see, I'm trying to find the light that is reflecting from the metal. And that's it. Of course, the wood is a very rough texture. This is a lot darker, but this is just a couple of styles you can do at your home just to simply train and exercise in product photography without anything else. Just grab your favorite stuff and go shoot anything. It doesn't have to be perfect. The most important thing is that you will have some experience, some training, and after you get home, you see the images, you will be able to tell which is nice, which is not nice, and after figuring that out, you will be able to tell why it's not as perfect. Like for example, this is not great, but the clarity worked like a charm. I should remove a couple of details in the background, but for now we can always cut it off, remove the background, and those are just simple images I was able to take at my neighborhood after a stroll. Nothing fancy, but you can do it right now at home without anything, any gear. Just grab your camera and that's it. Here, just a concrete part of our neighborhood, nothing fancy, but this is a nice texture. It's flat, as you can see here. It's rusty, it's dark, it's gray, so the colorful things will be very contrasty and will pop up on those images. And of course, everything else you can do whatever you like. Try to make it darker, try to make it brighter, try to figure out how to make those a little bit higher so you can get this blurred for the background, and there you have it. Maybe it's nothing fancy, but it's something, and someone will always tell that you really thought through and at least you made some effort to make those images when you are selling something. Here, as you can see, an old concrete wall, and I figured out that yeah, it would be great. I don't have very much rock hard things around, but for copper bracelets I can do something like that. Color grade that, a lot of orange, a lot of yellow, desaturate everything around so the color of the product will be a lot more contrasty and will really pop up, and that's it. You don't have to do anything fancy, no buying any fancy gear, just basic stuff. Figure it out, try your ideas, and that's it. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit me up if you did any product photography like that, or how did you start with your journey in that case. and thanks for tuning in. And bye for now.